Hello, everybody. I welcome you all to this special webinar on Azure IoT. My name is Debashish Roy. I'm the Senior Network Analyst at the Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. And we'll talk about the deploying IoT, the Internet of Things. That is, what is IoT? What is the IoT solution here? And how to deploy this thing in the cloud? So let's start. So we'll discuss the future of the connectivity, exploring the Internet of Things. So it is not only the Internet, it is about the connectivity. It is a whole new thing to explore our resources. So IoT is revolutionizing the connectivity. So like the internet we use for connectivity, or we use, say, in traditional environment we use the cables or the wires or the wireless. Now IoT is also a connectivity, a means of connectivity, but it is a revolutionizing way, enabling devices to communicate and share data. Now we'll explore the impact of IoT on various industries and our daily life, as well as the potential challenges and opportunities it presents. So we see IoT in healthcare, like it is transforming healthcare by enabling remote patient monitoring. So everything is done remotely, smart medical devices and real-time data analysis. So these things like the smartwatch or like that, you just wear a smartwatch and it monitors your blood pressure, your everything there, and that is a IoT device. You are powering on the AC with a remote. So that is also made by IoT, that type of thing. This has the potential to improve patient outcomes, definitely. It will reduce the healthcare cost and enhance the overall well being of your enterprise. Smart cities will build on the IoT. The concept of smart cities leverages IoT to enhance urban infrastructure, then optimize energy usage and improve public services. Now, IoT enables solutions such as smart grids, intelligent transportation system, and environmental monitoring. They all contribute to more sustainable and efficient cities. Now, definitely there are some challenges of IoT also, not only the advantages, like despite its potential, the IoT faces challenges such as security vulnerabilities, definitely. So if you do not have the security platform ready for the IoT, then definitely it is vulnerable to the attacks, interoperability issues, and data privacy also. That is the main concern. Now, addressing these challenges is crucial to ensure the widespread adoption and success of IoT in various domains. Then again, IoT in agriculture, if you see, is very important. IoT applications in agriculture include precision farming, livestock monitoring, and crop management. So, by leveraging IoT, farmers can make data driven decisions, optimize resources usage, and improve crop yields. So, in agriculture, also, if you're, say, doing some forecasting in agriculture or the agriculture cycle, crop cycle, you're forecasting or managing, there also you can do the smart IoT devices. Industrial IoT involves the use of interconnected sensors. These are the remote sensors that we use, devices and machines in industrial settings. Now, it also facilitates predictive maintenance, process optimization, and automation of manufacturing processes. Now, it will lead to improved operational efficiency and reduced downtime. Again, IoT and consumer devices, from our the smartphone to the remote, you can see IoT everywhere. It has consumer devices such as smartphone appliances, wearables, and connected vehicles. Like I was talking about that smartwatch, and also electric vehicles, like connected vehicles, also use IoT. This trend is reshaping the way consumers interact with technology, offering convenience, personalization, and enhanced user experiences. So we can conclude here that Internet of Things is poised to reshape the way that we live, work, and interact with the world around us. And embrace IoT presents numerous opportunities for innovation, efficiency, and sustainability. But also, we should be very careful about the security and privacy of this IoT also. So that is the general discussion about what is the IoT, and especially if we see IoT in Azure. So how the IoT actually it encompasses everything in Azure here. So that also we'll discuss. So it is everywhere. In Azure also we see that it will explore the impact of IoT on various industries and daily life, as well as the potential challenge and opportunities. Also, it is transforming, like I have already told you, the smart devices, the health devices, and data analysis, everything is there. So in Azure also you will see the IoT hub there, IoT central hub. So there are many possibilities there in the cloud also. Again, just like the smart city, so everything there, it is inbuilt in the IoT devices. And also this is the same thing that I again I have talked about the IoT earlier. So in Azure cloud, let's go to Azure now, and this is a snapping here, and we can see that in the services, all services there, you have the IoT is the Internet of Things, and here you have the option to build your own IoT solution in this IoT central applications here. If you click here, then you have to definitely do the coding to build IoT devices like the web apps or mobile apps. There you have to create the IoT central application. So you can click on the creating about the applications, and there you will give the application name, the template, and you will create the application, and then you will code, then you will build the IoT there. Again, in the IoT that I was talking about, the IoT hub, here also you have to create IoT hub to connect, monitor, and manage billions of your IoT assets. So if you are in a data center, say in a Azure or AWS data center, that it is remotely monitoring the customers. So in that case, you have to add this IoT hub there. So there you can create the IoT hub there. And you can see you have to enter a name and region, and so daily message limit. So definitely this IoT hub will be used to manage deployments. So you can see the message limits. So this amount of messages you can definitely deploy in any region. So you can give any name, or you can deploy any region secondized, and it's loading the options, the standard tier and the daily message limits, showing you the cost also. And also you go for the networking, you can have the public access enabled, or if you want, you can have the private access for security as well. So next you can assign permissions, you can assign the add-ons, device update for IoT hub or Defender, Microsoft Defender firewall also you can select for this IoT hub. So this is actually monitoring the IoT devices centrally. This is about the IoT hub, not only one device, but in Azure you can see different devices are monitored centrally. So there are a lot of options there. You in the Azure you can see connect and manage devices. Here you can have device updates for IoT hubs, Microsoft Defender for IoT. So that is there for Microsoft Defender. That is a firewall. That is also a very much good feature for antivirus also. That is also Defender for IoT. So it delivers agentless networkless security for continuous IoT or OT asset delivery, vulnerability management, and threat detection in operational and enterprise networks. So it is also, in addition, the solution integrates with Microsoft Sentinel and third-party associate tools such as Splunk. So this is also like your cybersecurity part also you are getting in the IoT. So here you are getting a lot of options in this Defender setup, the OT or ISIS security. These things are very important for your enterprise network IoT definitions. So there are a lot of options as you are seeing. Azure IoT Hub device provisioning services. So whenever you are going to provision the device, activating your IoT devices, there also you are getting this Azure IoT Hub device provisioning services there. So definitely you have to subscribe to it, and then only it will be available. All the options are not available for the free tier account. You have to go for the pay account for that. So these are, as we are saying, that numerous options are there to build the IoT devices and IoT applications to deploy the IoT in your infrastructure environment. And as we were seeing that the smart applications are day by day increasing, the smart home, the smart city, as you are getting a lot of information nowadays from our smartphone. Your smartphone, it is like a computer now. Everything and anything that is happening in your laptop or desktop, that is definitely happening in your smartphone. So that is also becoming a very important IoT device in our life. You are controlling AC, you are controlling fans from your smartphone. That is acting as your IoT application device like the remote. So that is totally revolutionizing the entire industries. You are driving the cars, smart cars are there. Without the humans, it's actually driving. And that is also there you find this IoT. So these devices, like the PCs, like the routers, they are all moving to the cloud nowadays. And also the IoT devices are not the physical devices anymore. So we are seeing that that is also moving towards the cloud, say the Azure, AWS, these things. So this is actually a new way to actually communicate with your infrastructure, your physical infrastructure, because you are moving all the devices, all the IoT devices to the central hub, to the Azure central hub that I have already discussed with you, and it is a central way to monitor all these devices. So it will increase more and more in future. Also, you will see that the routers, switches, the wireless controllers, all these things like the Cisco has, that will also move to the cloud. That has already started to move to the cloud, and the IoT is there also. So you will monitor these devices like the automation. This IoT is definitely related to your automation also, like the network automation we see in Cisco networking or in cloud also, say Azure or AWS. So this automation part is also related very much to your IoT infrastructure. So this is the future of your networking. This IoT is this thing. So AI, IoT, this is the future of networking, and this everything, not only networking but cybersecurity, everything is relied on this IoT and AI robotics this way. So this way, I have already presented you the theory part, and also I've shown you the options, the practical options where you can implement the Azure, the IoT devices. So I hope that it has got an immense understanding of this IoT, and you have got great knowledge on this implementing Azure IoT, how to implement and deploy the Internet Things solution with Azure Cloud, and what is IoT in general. So that is it for now for the Azure IoT and the IoT devices. Again, I thank you all for joining this quick webinar, and I will come with some new topic next day. Till then,